Welcome to Friday Celebration Assembly. As always, love having you here today and us sharing the celebrations of the great work that has happened during the week. And we have loads to talk about today, so we're just going to get straight on with it. So the first awards, of course, are our Going for Gold. First, Going for Gold in Leeds class. We have Jackson for always being able to make a teacher's smile. In York class, we have Alfie for fantastic Fred talk during Read Write Inc. And we have Gabe for a brilliant firework picture using the paint and cotton wool buds. In Hall class, we have Jacob Ilm for drawing and coloring a beautiful picture for his mommy this week. We also have Ruben for fantastic dance lesson. He was an amazing rockin' robin. In Nottingham class, we have Oakley for his perseverance with maths activities. We also have Isabella J for being confident and answering questions even if she was not sure. In Liverpool class, we have Ieva for a super attitude towards learning. In Liverpool class, we also have Rebecca for super progress in reading. In Cardiff class, we have Gracie for joining in with our times table song confidently. We also have Lucy in Cardiff class for asking for help from another child when she was stuck in maths. In Edinburgh 1, we have Key and Dwayne for writing an imaginative and interesting dragon story. We also have Caden for super mathematical fluency and thinking. In Edinburgh 2, we have Riley for working more independently in writing. We also have Alan for his amazing amount of home learning. He always tries his best. In Cambridge class, we have Ilya for brilliant concentration during the story writing. We also have Caden for his determination to succeed during their maths lessons. In Oxford class, we have Daria for working hard in power reading. We also have Casey Jane for including an accurate balance of direct and reported speech in her adventure story. Well done to all of the children for their fantastic work this week. We need to give them a big round of applause. Well done. Now we have the Year for Being Brave awards. First, we have in Leeds class, Caden for intellectual bravery for trying hard to learn sign language for We Wish You a Merry Christmas. In York class, we have Michael for disciplined bravery for persevering and making a Diwali lantern. In Hall class, we have Alicia for intellectual bravery for wanting to learn how to write her second name. We also have Susanna N for moral bravery for understanding that her reading partner in Read Write Inc. changes each week. In Nottingham class, we have Roscoe for disciplined bravery during handwriting. We also have Mary for disciplined bravery when reading lots of phonic sounds and words. In Liverpool class, we have Jake K for intellectual bravery for a super effort in designing and making his Christmas card. We also have Maria for empathetic bravery for always being considerate to others. In Cardiff class, we have Kyle for intellectual bravery and discipline bravery, for helping others with their learning in maths and for being more confident. We also have Eric for intellectual bravery, for going above and beyond in English and using lovely language. In Edinburgh 1, we have Peyton for using discipline bravery in her writing. She's striving to make it the very best it can be. We also have Noah for using discipline bravery to edit his writing, considering positive and negative intent. In Edinburgh 2, we have Stuart for discipline bravery. He has come back to school with a hard-working attitude. We also have Holly for her intellectual bravery. She's tried her best in English and has started to plan her writing independently. In Cambridge class, we have Tommy for discipline bravery, for not giving up when work gets challenging. In Oxford class, we have Benjamin for empathetic bravery, for helping a classmate to understand when they were confused and upset. We also have Bradley for discipline bravery, for keeping going in tricky Year 6 lessons. What another fantastic group of children, showing lots of the different kinds of bravery we have been discussing this year. Let's give them a big round of applause. Now, I want to make a very special thank you to a group of children in Oxford class who created some amazing Thanksgiving cards for me to help me this week to celebrate Thanksgiving. Here are some of the fantastic work that they did and shared with me. I just have to share it with you as well. Aren't we very lucky to have such an amazing, kind, caring group of children in our school? Thank you very much, Oxford class, for making those cards for me. They made my week. Right. Next week, Christmas comes to Newlands. Decorations begin to go up and we begin our celebrations. We can't wait to share with you the things that we're doing to celebrate Christmas here at Newlands. Have a good weekend. Bye.